Welcome to Milanote.com. Here's a quick how-to as to how to enhance your SLA seminar experience. Select Sign Up for Free and you will be prompted with a registration form. Input your info as you please and select Submit. Milanote is exceptionally easy to navigate. On your home screen, you will find all 4 days of seminar before you. Simply click a board to immediately be met with a variety of links that are important to day 1 of seminar. Select the link to be met with a box link where you will find the required readings. If you were to create a Milanote page for your class, you will find the left-hand side to be your toolbar. Click and drag Board to create a new home of information. This is great for any broad topic. Select the board to be taken in. Add columns to organize and specify information for students. Not sure how to lay out your board? No problem. Milanote provides a variety of pre-made templates depending on your interest to assist in its visual look. Utilize the comment tool to emphasize specific information. The to-do list tool is great for creating lists for students to accomplish. Milanote makes it easy to insert other helpful tools such as notes, links to videos, and arrows for direction. Ready to publish? Milanote quickly provides a shareable link for students to view the page. If you would prefer your Milanote in a PDF or Word document, Milanote provides an export tab to meet your needs. For any specific questions about the app, utilize the Help function to find question forums or even chat with a live individual to assist you. Milanote is an exceptional app to create a visual, engaging experience for students. Thank you for tuning in to this brief how-to.